Article 281 of the Indian Constitution pertains to the recommendations of the Finance Commission and how these recommendations are handled by the Union Government. Here's a breakdown. Context. Part 12 of the Constitution deals with finance, property, contracts, and suits. Chapter 1 focuses specifically on the financial relationship between the Union and the states. Key points of Article 281. Recommendations of the Finance Commission. The Finance Commission is a constitutional body established under Article 280 to recommend how revenues should be distributed between the Union and the states and among the states themselves. The Finance Commission submits its recommendations periodically. Role of the President. Once the Finance Commission provides its recommendations, the President of India is required to take those recommendations and present them to Parliament. Explanatory memorandum. Along with the recommendations, an explanatory memorandum must be included. This document explains the actions taken by the government on the recommendations. This ensures transparency and accountability regarding the decisions made based on the Finance Commission's advice. Laying before Parliament. Both houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, must receive the recommendations and explanatory memorandum. This allows the legislative body to examine and discuss the financial arrangements. Purpose of Article 281. Transparency ensures that the recommendations of an important financial body are accessible to legislators and the public. Accountability requires the government to explain how it has acted on the Finance Commission's advice. Strengthens cooperative federalism, facilitates discussions on the equitable distribution of financial resources between the Union and states. In summary, Article 281 ensures that the Finance Commission's recommendations are formally acknowledged and transparently dealt with, maintaining the balance between the Union and state governments. The Constitution of India. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 1, Finance. Distribution of revenues between the Union and the states. Article 281. Recommendations of the Finance Commission. The President shall cause every recommendation made by the Finance Commission under the provisions of this Constitution together with an explanatory memorandum as to the action taken thereon to be laid before each House of Parliament.